Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. In today's video we are going to see a dinner routine vlog, and for today's dinner here I have prepared garlic butter naan with Hyderabad egg gravy. Before moving into an video, if you are watching my channel for the first time, click subscribe button and hit the notification bell. You won't miss any of my videos. First here I am activating the yeast. For this take 1 spoon of yeast and 2 spoons of sugar and 1/4 cup of lukewarm water or milk, and mix it well and set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeast grows by consuming the sugar. You can substitute the yeast with the baking soda, curd and 1/4 spoon of cooking soda. After 15 to 18 minutes, yeast has been activated. Take a large wide bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida flour and add required amount of salt and 1 spoon of sugar and add the activated yeast. Mix the dough by adding little water. First the dough would be sticky, later on by kneading for continuously for 15 to 18 minutes the dough becomes smooth and soft. At this stage add 1 spoon of oil and knead it well. And tuck in the dough in this way and rest it for about 1 to 2 hours until the dough becomes the double size. In meanwhile, I am going to prepare the Hyderabad egg gravy. For this I am going to first boil the eggs. While boiling the eggs, add 1 spoon of salt. The exact cooking time of egg is 9 minutes. In meanwhile, I got veggies from the Amazon. From the past 6 months, I am ordering the vegetables from the Amazon. It's so fresh and neat. The packing was really good. And I am taking the mint leaf, which is the major ingredient in the Hyderabad egg gravy. Take out the fresh mint leaf so that the egg gravy turns out good. After collecting all the mint leaves, add some salt and rinse for 2 to 3 times and take it out in a separate plate. And add 3 green chilies. According to your taste, you can increase the quantity of green chilies. For the whole gravy, I am using the 4 green chilies, and then I am going to add 1 spoon of pepper powder and roughly chop the 3 medium sized onions. Once chopping is done, add all the ingredients into a blender and add 1 spoon of fennel and 1 inch of cinnamon stick and make into a fine paste. In meanwhile, into another blender I am going to prepare the ginger garlic paste. For this, add about 2 inches of ginger and 1 green chilli and 6 to 7 garlic with 1 handful of coriander. Make into a fine paste. On the other hand, place a kadai, and once kadai gets heated, add 4 to 5 spoons of oil, and once oil gets heated, add half medium sized chopped onions and saute it well until onions turn golden brown, and add ginger garlic paste and saute it until raw smell goes from it. After 5 minutes, add onion mint paste and saute it well for about 5 to 6 minutes on a low flame. Add blender rinsed water and let it cook for about 5 minutes on a low flame. In meanwhile, I am going to prepare the butter topping up for the butter naan. For this, take 5 to 6 garlic pods and grate in this way, and then add the chopped coriander and mix it well and set it aside. After 5 minutes, saute it well and add required amount of salt for the whole gravy and mix it well and cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. In meanwhile, I am going to remove an eggshell in this way, and once done, keep it aside. In meanwhile, dough has doubled. My elder ones wants to give it a punch. knead into a soft and smooth dough and make into a small balls as shown in the video. After 10 minutes, open up the lid. You can see the oil is oozing out from the gravy. At this stage, add half a spoon of pepper powder. Mix it well and add about 1 cup of milk, which gives the rich taste to the gravy, and mix it well and let it cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, adjust the gravy consistency by adding little water and let it boil. Cover with the lid. Transfer the kadai into another burner and place the pan, and here I have taken some sesame seeds and this is additionally optional. Take out a small ball size of dough and roll into an oval shape. Already I have made a video how to make the simple naan. I will give the link in description box, kindly check out. And add a 1/4 spoon of sesame seeds and press it gently, and then apply the garlic butter as shown in the video, and have a slight press with the rolling pin. And once pan gets heated, add the naan. Keep your flame on high. You can see the small bubbles rising up from the naan. Exactly after 30 to 45 seconds, flip it up. And here is our yummy and tasty garlic butter naan is ready. If you want, you can even apply the butter from, so it makes naan even soft and smooth. With the same procedure, prepare all the naans. Once finished preparing all the naans, here I have a final look. Our yummy and delicious butter garlic naan is ready. On the other side, let's check out our gravy. You can see the oil is oozing out and formed a layer. At this stage, have a slight sit on an egg and add into a gravy and mix it well, and add a handful of chopped coriander. Mix it well and transfer into a serving bowl. And here is our dinner plate is ready. Garlic butter naan with little butter on the top with Hyderabad egg gravy. Here I will show you the texture. Try out this recipe, friends. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. If you like, give big thumbs up and leave your comments in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.